So hello brothers, apparently now I'm just waiting for my mom to arrive. Nata sa airport karon. And yeah, nagdating na daw siya, nagland na siya. Daghan lang siya bagahe, so medyo dugay. So we're waiting for her. Let's surprise her. Hello sister. Oh. Amo ni yung bag ni mom. Oh. And then after mga brother at tayo ko sa first pa lang.